episode on tutorials. So, in today's tutorial, we are going to see how to transfer your Minecraft Pocket Edition world to the Bedrock Edition for Windows. So, we're gonna transfer from iOS to Windows 11. So, first, we go to Files, then go to On My iPad, then go to Minecraft. Then you would see a few folders. So we don't need all of them. All you do is just go to Games, select the only one there, com.mojang. Then go to Minecraft Worlds. And then you might see a lot of folders with random letters. So what you need to do is to find what world you want, because all of these folders represent one world. Don't care about the zip files. So all you do is just go in one folder and then go to level name. Then you can see one of your folders. Then you can see your Minecraft world name. So this is the amazing world. So let's go and download a random world. Okay, so I found my world. Now what to do is go outside and then press and hold the folder that you want and then click compress. And then you will see a zip file. Now this zip file right here needs to be you need to get this zip file to your computer, and there are many ways. If you're using a MacBook, you can airdrop it, or you can use OneDrive and put it in your OneDrive, or anything you want to do. So I'm just gonna put it in my computer. Okay, so wait. Okay, so once you have located your files, once you have located where your file is, then what you need to do is go into the file, and then you should always see this file here, and there might be a Mac OS thing. You don't really need that, but so you can just delete that. But here you can go in, and then you see all this. So what you need to do is let's just minimize this. So just go and just put this in your desktop. Open this up, and then you got a copy of it. Now what you need to do is select all of it manually. You can do Ctrl A or just select them manually. Then right click and go compress to zip file. And now you can name this zip file whatever you want. I'm just gonna name it world. Oh, I actually put a bracket, but I don't care. So then put this world.zip to your desktop. So now you don't need this anymore, so bye-bye. But you will need your world.zip. Okay. So what you need to do here, so if you open it, should have everything. So you need to make sure you can see that .zip at the end. So what you need to do is go to if you can't see it, go to View, then go to Show, and then go to File, and then make sure file name extensions are checked. Then you should see the zip. Now this is really important. What you need to do, right click, click rename, and then delete the .zip and write .mcworld. Yep, mcworld. MCWORLD. Then click enter. You might see a Windows notification that says if you change the file name extension, the file might become unusable. Yes, I know that, but make sure you type the MC word correctly and then it should be all fine. Then you would see, then the icon should become a grass block. If you don't see a grass block, then make sure you go to open with Minecraft. But if you see a grass block, you just double click it and then you get to go to Minecraft. And then once it loads, you will see at the top world import started and world import finished successfully. And then you would see your world right here, and this is the world that I did. So I hope, so if it doesn't work and it says import failed, it might be you did something wrong, and I suggest you to watch the video again. So that is how you transfer your Minecraft Pocket Edition world to your PC. If you want to know how to convert your Minecraft Bedrock world to Minecraft Java, you can watch another video that I'll put in the description. So other than that, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!